This is how I went from this to this. What you see in that plastic container is just cold water. I've tried many different sanding drum brands, and I've noticed even though the most expensive ones are more durable, any of them can break when you use them for the first time. So it's a matter of luck if it's gonna last a while, or if it's gonna just break the instant you touch the titanium. And after many sanding drums, here's the result. The customer asked for a polished finish, but my cell phone overheated or something, so I don't have the whole clip. I'm testing a new brand of polishing compound, but honestly I don't like it as much as my previous one. This one takes much longer to get something shiny. Since I only used polish compound on these handles, everything that's needed to clean them is warm water and a soft toothbrush. I use nail polish to mask the parts that I don't want to get dark, so here's me removing it. And after removing it, even though the ferric chloride that I use is already neutralized, it's really important to apply some oil. I've been using the new T10 pivots on the TX body screws for almost 2 months now, and I haven't heard a single comment, so if you already tried them, let me know what you think. Here's the result. I'm thinking about recording the process for every single order I get. I hope I get better at editing and at adding voiceover. Let me know if you would like to see more of this.